Tesla has accused an engineer of stealing crucial company software. And the best part of the story is, according to their accusation, this worker stole the software within days of taking the job.
Oh.
So he just got hired. It was a fresh recruit. And he said, perfect, I'm in. No, I'm just joking. It's alleged. I don't know what to take out of this. Maybe the guy's innocent. Is that possible?
Maybe. You don't want to be labeled as a saboteur.
Saboteur.
As Elon would say.
Look at you.
Yeah.
We made it. On Lou Later, we made it all the way to saboteur.
Yeah.
Well done. Apparently, this person, Alex Katilov, allegedly stole the company's custom warp drive software, which is used to automate purchasing and other systems, within 3 days of starting the job in late December 2020. Reportedly copied thousands of warp drive-related script files to his personal Dropbox account. The company also accused him of trying to cover up his actions. He reportedly lied about having only transferred personal documents when investigators grilled him. So now they're suing him. They want to do even more damage to him. But it is important to note, Willie Doo, that at the time he was working from home. And I had to head down to the comment section of this particular article, and I saw some people that were saying, hey, is it possible just because he's working from home that he had, mistakenly downloaded a bunch of stuff? Because he's like, I got to have all this material for my job. I don't know. Hey, man. Will, you're laughing over there.
It's like, I don't know. I'm just downloading.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, it's possible.
But here's the thing about these headlines and stuff, and I've been in this game for a little while. Let me tell you the thing about these headlines. It's just the legal system is innocent until proven guilty. The media system is guilty until proven innocent.
Yeah.
And it's just the way headlines work, and it's the way clicks work, and it's the way humans work. It's like, imagine this title of this article was Tesla engineer probably not guilty of stealing company information. You're just like, what?
Ooh,
yeah,
gosh.
wait, what?
Yeah.
That's not salacious.
Yeah.
That's not interesting. So it's like we have a selection process towards it. So I don't mind the comment showcasing the other side and saying, hey, maybe there was another reason for it. But Tesla, in their defense, has been a target for this type of thing in the past and has a high sensitivity level for it. They tried to sue Rivian for poaching employees. You and I talked about all the Tesla employees, high-profile employees who are over at Apple now. It's a hot business. It's a hot business. And I understand the accusation. I understand where the things are coming from, but we'll see, see where the investigation goes.